ritualistic.
Hey DBrightSquad, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I'm filming life hacks that you've never heard of, and I'm super excited to share with you guys because even I was shocked. I was like, wait, what? This actually works? And so I want to share with you guys and see how you guys react to it. So let's get started.
Alright guys, grab your popcorn because it's about to get really interesting.
Okay, first life hack. Running low on battery, put your phone on airplane mode and it will charge faster. Mind blown. If you're making an alcoholic drink, mix it with Diet Coke and you'll get drunk quicker than if you were to mix it with just regular Coke. Who knew? You know when you burn your tongue and it's just there and like for weeks you're just like, oh, my tongue is still burnt? Well, sugar can fix that. Okay, so if you have a wrinkly shirt and you're way too lazy to like iron it out, take some ice cubes, take the wrinkled shirt, throw it in the dryer, and it will be wrinkle free. Yes. Okay, so if you chew gum when you study for a subject and then chew the same flavor when you take the test, it will help you remember better. This is a cure for headaches. Take a lime, cut it in half, put it on your forehead and rub for like 5 minutes, and your throbbing headache will go away. You know when you get nauseous from reading in the car? Well, if you tilt your head sideways like this for a couple of minutes, the feeling of being nauseous will go away. Yup, apparently it works. I haven't tried that one. I should try that one next time I'm reading like on the bus or something. I'll try it. You can heal a paper cut with chapstick. What? You know when you say, I wonder if my breath smells bad? Well, if you lick your wrist and then smell it, well, that's how your breath smells. So I've actually tried that one and yes, that one does work. If you eat your food slowly, it will help you lose weight. You'll enjoy your food more. It will reduce stress and it will lead to a better digestion. I did not know that. That's pretty crazy. I'm a person that usually eats pretty slow anyways, so yeah, for you fast eaters out there, learn. Okay, this is the last one, and this one is good for life. How to look at life. So if you address every challenge in your life under the assumption that everything always works out in the end, then it usually will. Boom, mic drop. That one's a good one. You guys should take that one with you. Bless me. Woo! That was a good way to end it off. Okay, DBrightSquad, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed those life hacks that some of them I didn't even know of, which is like super crazy and interesting. I've tried some. Hopefully you guys will try some. Let me know if you've tried one and let me know if it worked for you. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Seeing you got ritualistic.